How to turn on word wrap in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now here you can see the settings button. Tap on settings. So now we're in the settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and customize it as well. Now slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called word wrap, and beneath it there's a drop down button too. Simply tap on this drop down button, and now here you can see different options that are available. So simply turn it on. Now as you can see, this has been turned on. Now we can simply go back and it will be automatically saved. So the word wrap has been enabled in VS Code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.